10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everybody, nice to meet you again. I hope you like with my video for the pattern making system with Gallows method. All the video about pattern making are using visualization method, and this is make you easy to learn about pattern making. So for the pen also I want to make a pattern with the visualization method. As you know that with visualization method we can more easy to make pattern. So congratulations to you all, because now we have the new system, and forget it about A, B, C, D, and then what's we not use it anymore. We remove all the old system. Okay, I hope you also enjoy with this. We start this visualization method for pattern making for fan is I'm using like cartoons heroes or cartoons SpongeBob Squarepant. Yeah, so I'm using SpongeBob Squarepant in order to you can imagine what is SpongeBob Squarepant. What in your mind SpongeBob Squarepant? That is a yellow and in the square shape, and shirt and pant also. That is you remember about Squarepant, SpongeBob Squarepant. Now you just imagine who is SpongeBob and what the shape of SpongeBob. With the name we know that Squarepant is square. Okay, so I will start to making pattern for pen using visualization method SpongeBob Squarepant. Okay, we start. Okay, this is the measurement we need for the making pen patterns, and then there's a formula for making pen patterns, not so many formula, and then also you have also how to measures. You will have in the video for pens video how to take measurement for pen later on. We will add for the next video. Okay, now we will start for how to make a pattern with this measurement. First we will use for the length of the pen. Length of the pen is 95, so I will type 95. So this is 95, and we will have also usually have a waistband about 3 cm. So we will take 3 cm first. This is limit for the waistband, and then how much the centimeter to the left, I will use the type formula. Type here we see that type circular is 65. Okay, so 65 divide by 2, the formula divide by 2. Okay, so become 32.5 minus 3, so become 29.5 divide by 2. Okay, so this is 14.75. Okay, and then for the hip, usually in Indonesia we have a standard measurement for hip distance between waist to hip. Usually some country also same, they have a distance between hip and waist is 20 cm. So I will follow 20 cm the distance between waist and hip. Okay, so I type 20. Okay, enter. And then for the width of the pen, same. We are using 14.75. Same. Okay. And now, how about the crotch? The crotch I have 72. 72, the formula of the crotch is crotch divided by 2 minus 5. So, it's mean 72 divided by 2 becomes 36 minus 5 become 31. So, the distance space for the crotch is 31. Okay. And then the width also 14.75. Enter. Okay. Now we have this. And then why I using Spongebob Squarepant? Because if I mirroring this is become as you see this is square and this is shirt and pant. So you must make SpongeBob Squarepant with the thigh measurement, with the hip distance between hip and waist, and crotch measurement. So you have a SpongeBob Squarepant. This is the basic we will make for the pattern for pen. Okay, then how we continue with the pattern making for this pen? We will add first for the front body. Front body, usually we add 6 cm here, and then if we see the knee length is 57, 56. 56, so we must have this is 56. 56. Okay. Okay. And then the knee circular is 38. Okay. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5 minus 1 so 8.5. So 8.5. Okay. And then for the bottom opening, bottom circular is 34. 34 divided by 4 become 8.5 minus 1 becomes 7.5. 7.5. Enter. Okay. We have already this. We can just joining, and then we have also for the inseam. We modify. Okay. This is how to modify. Okay. This is the inseam of front body. Okay. And then for the front body, usually we down 1 cm, enter. So we have point here, and then for the crotch, we can resave this one. Yeah. Okay. So the line, this is we will use. Yeah. Okay. And then the waist, we have 67. 67 divided by 2 is 33.5 divided by 2. 16.75. If in the front waist is there is a have a dart with 3 cm, so it's mean this is must add 3 cm. Okay, become 19.75. 19. So we take from here until this line using 19.75. Okay, enter. So, and now how about the hip? Hip we have hip circular is 92. So 92 divide by 4, it's become 23. So we must have point here, 23. This is also same, 23. Okay, so we make line for this pattern. Okay, we have already the front pattern for pen, and then we will make for back pattern. For back pattern, we add 4 cm here, 4 cm here. This is also same, 4 cm. Enter. And then for a back pattern, this is should be add 2 cm. Okay, and this in this part, okay, in this part also we add 2 cm. Okay, and then we just joining this one, and this inseam also we make modify. Okay, this is better. We measure this same with measurement of front, because inseam should be made 29.17. So here also 29.17. Okay, enter. If you see that this is not exactly on the end of the line, yeah, will be down a little bit, and then we reshape this. Okay, and then we joining this to 2 cm, and then for this using blue. Okay, we count back for the waist measurement. Waist measurement is 67 divided by 4, 16.75. If the back of the pen is have 2 dot with each 2 cm, so it's mean add 4 cm, so 20.75. It's mean from here to this line is 20.75. Enter. Okay, and for the hip we will add 1 cm. This is for allowance, yeah, 1 cm. Okay, and then okay, now we have already for the front and back pattern for pen, and then for the dart we are using this until this point, and from here 7 cm. Okay, for front this is a 15 cm. Enter. And this is from back, this is 7 also. Okay, but for the back dart is 12 the length, and then we do the same thing here, 7 cm. This is also 12. Okay, and for the pattern, this is back is 2 cm. Okay, this is also same, 2 cm. For the front, 3 cm. Okay, so we have already the pattern dart for this is back body. This is back body. This is the second dart of back body. This is the dart for front body. Okay, so finally we have the front pattern and back pattern. So I will make this. For the front, we take a front dart and the green line. Okay, and then for the back part, we are using this, 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 and the black back dart. This line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line. Okay, we have complete pattern of the pen for front part and back part. Okay, I hope you enjoy and can learn how to make a pattern pen. Okay, thank you very much. Good night.